Hello dear friends, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis just before the market opens. So hopefully you'll love the analysis and it will benefit you. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional setup. I'm just a next door trader. Okay, and I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So at first I have the chart of TSX Composite Index in front of us. So index is the main thing. Okay, so what do we see on the screen? In the screen, if we look at the 15 minutes time frame, the things are not clear. In the previous trading session, it opened at 18,303. Then came down, went up a little. There was not much movement seen. So if we look at this chart, so nothing is very much clear. So we can just switch to the 1 day time frame to get a clear picture. So in the 1 day time frame, it is clear that okay, after reaching the swing high, it has come down a bit. Okay, and yesterday it tried to break the resistance R3. You can see on the screen that it tried to break the R3 level 18,327 level, but it failed to do so, and as a result it had to close below the R3. It failed to breach or break the resistance level. So today when the market will open, if the market opens below this level, again it will give a tough fight to break the resistance level. And if the market opens above this resistance level, or if the market opens above 18,327, then we just need to make sure that it gives a closure above this level. Okay, this level has become very crucial as of now. Okay, so in today's trading session, we need to watch out where it gives the closing. Okay, in case if it fails to break this particular level, then there is a possibility that it will come down. Okay, it will come down to this particular level of 18,044. So let's see, and let's jump to the stocks where we should keep our eyes. So first stock we have is MFC Manulife, and I'll be just showing you the analysis of the 15 minutes time frame because I'm just doing this mainly for the day trading purpose only. Okay, so you can see that right now trading at 25, right now trading at 25, and yesterday it made a low of 24.7 and made a high of 25.10. But on 17th, the high was 25.17, and the same high was and actually the thing is that if you can see on the screen, it is very clear to us that 25.17, this particular level that I marked above, is of extreme importance. Similarly, on the downside also, if you look, then you'll see that this particular level 24.7 is also very important level. These two levels are very important levels, okay, for this particular stock as of now. So if it opens here, it doesn't matter. We just need to observe how does it react when it reaches these two levels. Suppose if the market goes up and hits this 25.17 level, we should just just observe how does it react. If it breaks this particular level with considerable amount of volume, or if it breaks the level comfortably, then you can easily consider this particular trading session as a breakout, and then you can go long. Okay, then your target will be this 25.31. okay, if it breaks this particular level comfortably, then your target will be 25.31 level. Okay, and if it fails to break the market then it will come down, it will reverse. And if it gives a reversal sign, then, or if you can spot the reversal sign, then easily you can short the market and make some money out of it. And on the other hand, if the market comes down and hits this particular level of 25.7, then also we need to see how it is reacting. In case it bounces from this particular level, then you can go long. And if the selling pressure is very high and fails to bounce from the level, then there will be a breakdown from this level. If it breaks down with considerable amount of volume, then you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market, and your first target will be 24.5 and your second target will be 24.3. So this is the analysis of MFC, Manulife. And the second stock that we have is Brookfield Asset Management. Okay. If you look at the chart, the LTP, or the last traded price, was 55.61. Okay, so today what do we need to see? So in today's market, we just need to see where it opens. Okay, the opening will be very crucial. If the stock opens between this 55 level and 55.77 level, then we just need to wait and watch where it is going. If it goes towards the upside, then how it reacts after reaching the 55.7 level and 55.03 level. After opening in between these trades, we do not need to take any trade. Okay, if it breaks this particular level comfortably with volume, then you can go long, and if it reverses from here, then you can short the market. Similarly, it has quite a good amount of support available at 55 level. After opening, if it goes down to the 55 level and bounces from there, then you can go long, and if it gives a breakdown, then please go short. Sorry, I have a message in my mobile. What's up from my friends? Okay, the third stock we have is Brookfield. Bank of Montreal. In the Bank of Montreal, we can see that there is a beautiful uptrend going on right now. This beautiful uptrend has started at 97 level and right now trading at 99.69 level, or 99.67, whatever. But right now it is facing a resistance here. It has a resistance here. So we just need to see where it opens today. If the market opens, or if the stock opens below this level, somewhere around here, then it will face a resistance again. And if it breaks this level, go long. If it breaks this level comfortably, suppose if it breaks the level, okay, it breaks the level, and you just need to wait for 15-20 minutes and just see that whether it is trading above this level, above this particular level, above this green line comfortably or not. If it is trading comfortably for 15-20 minutes after breaking the resistance level, then easily you can go long. But if it struggles at the level, then after reaching this level, if you see some struggle, if you can spot some struggle, then you can go short. The next stock is AC. Air Canada. For Air Canada, I would like to mention just one thing, that right now it is trading at this particular level. Okay, this particular zone, see, 22.53 and 23.89. So if you are already in a long position with Air Canada, then just be on the trade. Okay, Just be cautious if it reaches this 22.53 level or 23 level. Okay, otherwise my suggestion would be to avoid this particular stock until and unless it is trading at this particular level, this 22.53 to 23.89 level. Okay, just avoid this stock. You can go long if you do not have any position, and if you want to go long, then only go long after it crosses this level 23.24 level, round figure 24 level. Okay, before that do not go for any trade. Okay, C and Q. Same thing goes with CNQ also. You can see that there is not much volatility in the stock, but before that there was a beautiful uptrend. Okay, you can see, okay, on the left hand side you can see that what a beautiful uptrend it was. These things are very rarely seen in market, this kind of a beautiful uptrend. But right now it is consolidating in a consolidation phase. So what should we do now? We should just avoid the stock. Until unless the stock is trading in this particular range of 34.5 to 35.5. Okay, you should not trade. Just wait and watch. Market always moves from lower volatility to higher volatility, and higher volatility to lower volatility. So right now the market is resting. So in that case, just wait. Okay, just wait. Keep your eyes on this stock. Okay, keep your eyes on this stock. Go long if it breaks this level, go short if it breaks this level. That's it. So the next stock is CM. Though the trend was though the trend is not beautiful as the CNQ in Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, but I'll suggest the same. These things are very crucial. Okay, in market. Again, I just suggest that do not go for any trade in this particular range. 113.7 to 114.5. Okay, in this particular, as long as the stock is trading in this particular range, do not trade. And if you are kind of a scalper or a trader who is looking for short-term profits, yes, then you can go for it. But if you are someone who is looking for big moves, then keep your eyes on Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce and the previous stock. What was the name? CDN Natural. Okay. Whenever there is a movement like this, there is a chance that market will go volatile and you will get some big moves. Okay. So keep your eyes here. Long here, short here. Same goes with this Imperial Bank of Commerce also. Right now it is trading, so keep your eyes here. These spots are like money spots. You can get big moves. So keep your eyes open. Next stock is CP. For CP, I would like to just mention one thing, that after this beautiful move, market is consolidating. If it comes down to this particular level, 447.35, and if you spot some reversal sign like this, like a bullish engulfing pattern or a hammer, then you can go long. Otherwise, try to avoid going long in this particular stock, Canadian Pacific Railway. Okay, and if you are someone who loves to short the market, then you can short the market. Suppose this market opens here or here, and if the stock takes resistance in this particular moving average, 50 moving average, and moves down, then you can short the market. Okay, but The safe bet will be when the market will reach the 447.30 level, there is a high chance that market will bounce off from this level because there is an extreme support available at this range. Okay. Next we have Loblaw. The Loblaw is trading at 62.15 right now, and it has not come down to this level. In this particular level of 61.8, great support available. Okay, keep your eyes open on this particular stock. If it comes down to 61.8 level and shows some reversal sign, okay, then it's a good buy. So what will be your target? If you suppose you get the stock at 61.8 today, then what will be the target? Your target should be 62.4 or 62.3. Safe. Then we have in front of us is because of this video on this corner, I could not move to step. Okay, I can type here. Actually, I'm not that of a geek or tech savvy. Okay, so sorry. Found the stock. Same thing applicable to this particular stock, Saputo. Name is cool. As long as it is trading at 37 to 38 level, no trading zone. This particular purple box is the no trading zone. You should not trade in this zone. Okay. Market is just consolidating. You just wait and watch. If it crosses this level, then buy. Crosses this level, then sell. If it crosses this particular level above, then chances are, just be long. And if you short the market, your target would be 36.21. And if you're suppose if it gives a breakout, then just trail the stop loss and behind, just go along, because I do not see any particular target here. Okay, so but if it goes down and gives a breakdown, then your target will be 36.2. So that's it for the day. Okay, hopefully you'll have liked the analysis and found the video informative. And if you have found the video informative, and then please like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to get the market analysis just before the market opens. Okay, and if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. See ya soon again.